Look at that fabric piling up on the floor, getting dragged back out the front. This is the Acufeed Flex system by Janome, one of the most amazing feed systems I've ever seen. This is the entry-level Acufeed Flex machine by Janome. It's the Skyline SK7, 8 1/4 inches to the right of the needle. Great lighting, so much light the camera doesn't even like it. I started sewing this continuous loop of fabric. At first I was guiding it, and then I just let it go full throttle, did 6 full laps around this fabric with it feeding itself. And you'll notice when I come in on a close-up here that those stitches aren't but about 1/8 of an inch apart. All of them stacked in there, 6 rounds around this fabric. Have a great day.